Crush a single clove of garlic and you kick off a chemical reaction in about 10 seconds. That reaction creates a compound powerful enough to kill drug-resistant bacteria, relax your blood vessels, and feed the good microbes living in your gut. And people have been stirring that same clove into warm milk at bedtime for hundreds of years. For most of that time, doctors rolled their eyes. Old wives' tale, they said. Then the lab results started rolling in. Some of the claims fell apart fast. A few held up so well they caught the researchers off guard. Tonight I'm walking you through 9 of those benefits, and every one is backed by a real published study. There's also one group of people who should never touch this drink, and I'll tell you exactly who near the end. Let's start with your immune system. Now that you know why this combination gets so much attention, let's look at the first benefit on the list. Supports immune function and may shorten colds to appreciate. So can garlic really fight off a cold? A team at Cochrane went looking for the answer, and Cochrane reviews are about as strict as medical evidence gets. They dug through everything and found only one trial solid enough to trust. In that study, people took garlic every day for 12 weeks. The garlic group came down with 24 colds. The placebo group caught 65. That's almost 3 times more, plus fewer sick days overall. Sounds like a slam dunk, right? Here's the catch. The reviewers themselves warned that the evidence is thin. One good trial isn't proof, it's a strong hint. So a warm cup of garlic milk might give your immune system a little backup during cold season. Just don't treat it like a flu shot in a mug. It's support, not armor. The next benefit stands on much sturdier ground. Next, number 2, linked to lower LDL cholesterol. Now let's talk about your heart. Cholesterol quietly shapes millions of lives, so researchers asked a blunt question. Can a kitchen bulb actually move the numbers? One large analysis pulled together 39 separate trials. The results were hard to ignore. In people with high cholesterol, garlic dropped total cholesterol by about 17 milligrams per deciliter. The harmful LDL kind fell by roughly 9. But there was a condition attached. The benefit only showed up when people stuck with garlic for longer than 2 months. Patience was the price of admission. And the researchers flagged something that matters a lot. An 8% drop in cholesterol can meaningfully lower your risk of heart trouble over a lifetime. A warm cup every night could be one small, steady piece of that bigger picture, which leads us straight into blood pressure. Next, number 3, associated with modestly lower blood pressure. They don't call high blood pressure the silent killer for nothing. It creeps up with no symptoms and does real damage long before you notice. So could garlic quietly nudge it back down? A systematic review and meta-analysis chased that exact question. The team gathered every reliable trial they could find, then did something smart. They pulled out the people who already had high blood pressure and looked at them on their own. In those folks, garlic beat the placebo. The drops were modest, but they were genuine, landing around a few millimeters of mercury. That might sound like nothing. Spread across a whole population, it absolutely is not. Even small reductions cut the odds of strokes and heart attacks. Garlic milk won't replace your medication, and it shouldn't try to. But as a quiet sidekick, it pulls its weight. Now the story turns to sugar. Next, number 4, may help regulate blood sugar. Blood sugar is a balancing act. Keep it steady and life hums along. Let it swing too far for too long, and the damage stacks up over years. So researchers zeroed in on people with type 2 diabetes. One analysis combined 9 randomized controlled trials covering hundreds of patients, and the findings turned heads. Garlic supplementation meaningfully lowered fasting blood glucose. The drop appeared within weeks and got deeper over time. Even HbA1c improved, and that's the long-term number doctors watch most closely. Before you get carried away, read the fine print. This was garlic added to proper care, not garlic instead of it. It supported the body. It didn't cure the disease. If you're managing diabetes, this drink could be a helper, never a replacement. And talk to your doctor before you start. The next benefit explains why garlic pulls off any of this. Next, number 5, delivers antioxidant sulfur compounds. Here's the engine under the hood. Why does one little bulb do so much? It comes down to sulfur. Crush a clove, and the chemistry fires off almost instantly. A compound called allicin forms within seconds. and from it springs a whole family of sulfur compounds. One detailed scientific review laid out how they work. They mop up free radicals, the unstable molecules that chip away at your cells. They also crank up your body's own antioxidant enzymes, calling in reinforcements from the inside. The standout is S-allylcysteine, which shows up richly in aged garlic and guards against oxidative stress across study after study. This quiet cleanup crew may be a big reason garlic earns credit for protecting the heart and slowing some effects of aging. The warm milk simply carries it all in a soothing form. This part is solid mechanism, not wishful thinking. On to your throat. Next, number 6. Soothes coughs and eases respiratory discomfort. Picture a stubborn cough keeping you up at night, throat scratchy and raw. Could this old remedy help? Garlic's reputation here goes back centuries. People all over the world reached for it whenever someone got sick. But tradition isn't proof. So what does the lab actually show? In one striking study, scientists tested allicin as a vapor, and it wiped out lung-infecting bacteria, including drug-resistant strains. The compound can travel and act right where infections take hold, which is impressive on its own. Now for the honest part. Solid clinical proof that garlic cures coughs in humans is still pretty limited. Most of the evidence lives in petri dishes, not bedrooms, so warm garlic milk may soothe your throat and offer some real antimicrobial backup. The warmth alone calms the irritation, and the garlic adds the bonus. Just keep your hopes realistic. It's comfort with promise, not a guaranteed fix. From the lungs, we head to the gut. Next, number 7, aids healthy digestion. Your gut is home to trillions of tiny residents that shape your digestion, your immune system, even your mood. Feed the good ones, and they flourish. But what do they actually eat? Garlic carries a quiet secret, a fiber called fructan. You can't digest it, but your gut bacteria absolutely can. In one lab study, researchers fed garlic fructan to human gut microbes as their only food source. The payoff came fast. Within a single day, beneficial bifidobacteria multiplied in a big way, and those are the friendly bacteria tied to a healthier gut. That makes garlic a prebiotic rather than a probiotic, and the difference is worth knowing. Probiotics are the bacteria themselves. Prebiotics are the fuel that feeds them. A warm cup at night quietly delivers that fuel, and over time, a balanced gut supports your whole body. From the gut, the story flows into the bloodstream. Next, number 8. Supports blood flow tied to erectile function. This one catches almost everyone off guard. It starts with a gas. Hydrogen sulfide sounds nasty, and on its own it is. But inside your body it works as a signal, relaxing blood vessels and improving flow. As it happens, garlic is a natural source of it. Researchers decided to test that directly. They recruited men with erectile dysfunction who weren't getting much from their medication alone. Then they added garlic to the routine. The improvement was statistically significant, with erectile function scores climbing over 4 weeks. The likely reason is better blood flow through that same gas pathway. But read the fine print closely. This was a small pilot study, and the garlic was used alongside medication, not in place of it. Bigger trials still need to confirm it. Even so, the signal is intriguing. Last stop, your bones. Next, number 9. Supports bone health. Bones feel permanent, but they aren't. They slowly lose strength with age, and after menopause that loss speeds up as estrogen drops. So could garlic offer any protection? A randomized controlled trial looked at exactly that in postmenopausal women with osteoporosis. They took garlic tablets for a month, and afterward researchers measured the inflammatory markers in their blood. Certain pro-inflammatory cytokines are linked to bone breakdown, and the garlic group showed favorable shifts in them. Less inflammation can translate to slower bone loss. Be clear about the limits, though. This was a small, short study, and it tracked markers rather than actual fractures. Garlic is not a treatment for osteoporosis on its own. Still, as part of a bigger routine, it might help support your skeleton. That's all 9 benefits. Now, how do you actually make this drink? Making it is easier than you'd guess. Start with 1 or 2 fresh cloves and crush or finely chop them. Don't skip that step, because crushing is what activates the allicin. Let the chopped garlic sit for about 10 minutes, so the chemistry has time to form fully. While it rests, gently warm a cup of milk, and dairy or plant milk both work fine. Add the garlic to the warm milk. Some people simmer it for a minute to mellow the flavor, and others stir in a little honey or turmeric to make it go down easier. Strain it if you want it smooth. Then sip it slowly about an hour before bed. Keep the amount sensible, since 1 cup is plenty, and piling on more garlic won't help. What matters most is doing this consistently over weeks, not hard once. But hold on, because there's an important warning first. This drink isn't right for everyone. Garlic is potent, and that potency comes with a few catches. If you take blood thinners, be careful, because garlic can raise your bleeding risk, and the same goes for the days before any surgery. Anyone on blood pressure or diabetes medication should check with a doctor, since garlic can amplify those drugs in ways you might not expect. Some people just can't handle garlic at all, and it can bring on heartburn, gas, or an upset stomach. If you have a garlic allergy, stay away from it completely. Lactose intolerant? Reach for a plant-based milk instead. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, ask your doctor before starting, and kids shouldn't be given medicinal amounts. The simplest rule still holds. This drink supports your health, but it doesn't replace real medical care. Now, before you go, one quick favor. So those are 9 science-backed reasons to give this old bedtime ritual a try. If this video was informative, do me a favor and comment the word yes down below. That little word tells us these deep dives are worth making and pushes us to put out more like it. If you got something out of it, hit that like button, share it with someone who could actually use it, and subscribe so the next one finds you automatically. Your support is what keeps this channel going. Thanks so much for watching to the end. Until next time, sleep well and stay curious.